We'll guide you through how to make bend animation in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Alight Motion application on your device. Once the home screen appears, tap the Create New Project button located at the top of the screen. A project settings menu will open. Adjust the settings based on your editing needs. Then press Create Project inside the new project. Tap the plus button near the bottom of the screen. Import the footage that you want to animate. Browse through your media files, select your clip, and wait for it to load into the timeline. Once the footage appears in the timeline, tap on the footage layer to open its editing options. From the layer menu, select Effects. Then press Add Effect to open the effect browser. On the right side of the browser, locate and open the Distortion and Warp category. Inside this category, find the bend effect and tap it to apply it to your footage layer. Once the bend effect has been added, open its settings panel. Start by adjusting the angle setting to determine the direction and amount of bending. You can also adjust the start value to control where the bend begins on the footage. After setting the initial bend values, enable animation by turning on the angle keyframe. Move the playhead to the beginning of the layer and create your first keyframe. Set the angle to the amount of bend you want at the start of the animation. Next, move the playhead to the end of the footage layer. Add a second keyframe and set the angle value back to 0. To make the movement smoother and more dynamic, open the graph editor. Inside the graph options, select a bounce graph. Choose the second bounce preset if available, then adjust the graph settings to match the style you want. Once you are satisfied with the graph settings, preview the animation by pressing the play button. Make any final adjustments if needed. You have now successfully created an animated bend effect in Alight Motion.